how to fix this error on Valorant, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First, just right click on Valorant and click properties, and then go to compatibility. Now change settings for all users. You will find it like that. First, just enable those two options and click apply and OK, and OK again, and then type here device manager. Now make sure to update all those drivers here, all those display adapters, and then network adapters and processors. If you want to update it, right click, update driver, and search automatically for drivers, and that's it. After that, just restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, just try to launch Valorant and you will find that your problem is fixed. And if that doesn't fix it, just right click here, open task manager, scroll down until you find Vanguard, right click and end task, and also turn off and close all if you find any Vanguard or Valorant or Riot Games icon, just close it. Just make sure there is nothing here is related to Valorant. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and see you in the next video.